Hey everyone, welcome to the 2025 at ITS Now Innovation Awards. In this episode, I'm delighted to announce the winners of this year's ITS Now Innovation Awards, which were judged at the 2025 Trafex exhibition. As well as looking out for innovative features in products, a key element to the judging was the environmental benefits that the equipment or system would have. So, without giving anything away at this point, all three finalists have been judged to make a difference. Anyway, I'm Alastair and this is at ITS Now. The Trafex exhibition and conference was held at the Coventry CBS Arena for the second year. It was co-hosted with ParkX, Cold Comfort and EVX and was held over 2 days. This resulted on Wednesday, the first day, being very busy, and although it was a bit quieter on the Thursday, the conference sessions I chaired were all really well attended. I'd like to thank the panellists for taking part in these, and a quick name check to Khalifa Bokhamas for organising these. Again, congratulations to the organisers from Hemming Group for putting on such a good event with a great conference programme. It was slightly disappointing that there weren't more stands for traffic systems and ITS suppliers at the exhibition, but there were a good selection present, including all of our finalists. Okay, so now it's time for our 2025 at ITS Now Innovation Awards. So to recap, last year our third place award went to the Nomad pedestrian and cycle counter. In second place was Vortax IoT air quality sensors, and the winner of the 2024 at ITS Now Innovation Award went to the Actis traffic signal from Unex Traffic, which demonstrated an astounding array of innovations for such an established product class.
Remember to hit subscribe for ITS Now.
Okay then. In the third place this year is Innovation Factory, Detercam AI. These small battery-powered camera units, they're a bit like a trail cam, capture activity within a 60-metre distance, and using edge processing on board the unit can provide an audible and flashing light deterrent for a number of different scenarios. The units are also equipped with 4G communications to allow remote viewing of captured events. The units can be set up to deter animals such as deer or elephants from straying onto roads and railways, or to tackle other issues such as graffiti or metal theft. In second place, we have Unex Traffic, U-Traffic Aware AI. This is basically a whole detection platform which is set to revolutionise how we approach data acquisition for traffic systems. Aware AI uses up to 10 simple HD cameras with a 4U processor unit mounted in the controller cabinet, where edge processing is used to provide detection events to the host controller. Currently via fault-free contacts, so this is controller agnostic. The exciting feature of this device is that it promises to add a level of capability for active transport modes, which is increasingly important. The system also produces a huge range of data metrics as standard, so it will be a highly useful tool for traffic engineers. And finally, our winner of the 2025 at ITS Now Innovation Award is AGD, with the AGD 352 multi-lane radar. The AGD 352 is a game changer for above ground detection technologies. Although it's badged as a multi-lane radar, that doesn't really do it justice. It boasts a huge 110 degree of coverage, which means that a single unit can normally be used to cover 2 full approaches. It includes accurate tracking, and with its advanced filtering is suitable for busy urban environments. In addition, the unit is future-proof for developing standards in the UK. These advances result in a far more comprehensive detection capability, and instead of maybe requiring multiple radars for each approach, it's feasible that many signalised crossroad type installations might only need 2 for the entire junction. Congratulations to AGD for winning this year's at ITS Now Innovation Award for the AGD 352 multi-lane radar. I hope you found that interesting. Make sure to have a look on the ITS Now website, www.itsnow.org. There will be a link in the information below to find out more about the At ITS Now Awards. We've got some really interesting programs coming up over the next few months, along with some great features in ITS Edge magazine, so make sure you don't miss out. So lastly, could I please ask you to subscribe to our channel? It really does help us to bring you further videos about ITS. Thank you again to everyone who has already subscribed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.